Hi friends, today we will discuss how to insert or delete rows in Microsoft Word. Sometimes we need to insert a row in a table, how we can do, or sometimes we need to remove or delete a row from Microsoft Word table, how we can delete the specific row in a table. I will tell you in detail. First of all, we will open Microsoft Word, then we will see all these things step by step. This is our topic, and this is the table. I will tell you how we can insert a row. First of all, I will tell you how we can change the color of the specific box, specific cell. We can say it's specific cell. Like you can differentiate its color from other cell. Okay, I think you got all the settings. If I want to add the row after Thursday, then I have to right click on it and go to insert and insert row below. Our second option is I have to go to insert and insert row below or insert above. If I insert below, then I will click here. You can see a row is added after Thursday, and if I want to add the row above the Thursday, then I have to right click, or I can go here. I can go to insert and insert row above, or second option I go to insert here and click on insert above. Friend, as you see, we have insert two rows. Row one is above Thursday and second one is below Thursday. So this is the procedure how we can add the row in a table in Microsoft Word. And if I want to delete the specific row from this table, then what I can do, I have to select the row or go to right click and go to delete cell. Okay, here I will, there are some options like shift cell left, shift cell up, delete entire row, delete entire column. I want to delete entire row. I will select this option and click OK. Now the specific row is deleted. Now I want to delete this row and go to here, and like I can also delete from here, like delete column, delete cell, delete row, delete table. I will click on delete rows. As you will see, the specific rows is deleted. Now this is all about the how to insert or delete rows in a table. I think you understand all the procedure. If you have any question, you can write me in comments. Bye.